Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have two wonderful ladies who stepped into our terminal to, assist their father in truck repairs. In fact, this is an amazing thing I've ever seen. It's really an amazing thing, honestly. And to be very frank, these young ladies are automobile engineers. And to be very frank with you, they really want to go to school. They really want to travel abroad to do this better and bigger. Over here is their father. They are trying to assist this young man. So what they need, anything you hear from them, that is who they want to become. So, sorry, what's your name, please? Can you speak up, please? Chinazo Azubike. What about you? Amarachi Azubike. All right. And this is the wonderful father?
Timothy Azubike.
Timothy Azubike. All right. What do you want to become?
I want to become an automobile engineer.
You want to become an automobile engineer? Okay, that's great. And you still want to be an automobile engineer too?
Yeah.
That's great. And I think, Papa, you are in support of what they want to become.
Yes.
In fact, this is one thing I've not seen for a very long time. Seeing young ladies who are this ambitious. And at this point, I want to call on everyone in Nigeria and outside Nigeria to, bring on whatever you can use to assist these people, these young ladies, to become automobile engineers here and outside this country. Because as it stands now, they really want to travel outside the country to study. Now, financial aspects is not really, finance is not really available. So I believe this is one way for us to help these wonderful ladies. And I beg everyone who will see this video to please help us share this video till it gets to people who are, who really have human sympathy to, bring on their assistance. And this will help a long way to help these young ladies. And you still have a younger brother, right? He knows how to do this too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, you can see, even the little boy, I saw this little boy on site the other day, and to be very frank with you, I was so shocked. I was even the one, because of the safety activities on site, we don't really allow, minors to come on site. So, but this young boy, knowing too well that he knows how to repair. This is truck. This is not just a small vehicle. This is truck. And these ladies, as you can see them, they are so wonderful. I've been watching them for some time now, and I decided to do this video. I need everyone to assist. Financially, the contact will be made available, so you can contact them and assist them. They want to travel abroad and study automobile engineering, and as well come back to Nigeria and build a very big factory where they can manufacture vehicles and become much more better in their life. I hope I'm speaking your mind right.
Yeah.
So, Papa,
Yes.
it's a very good thing for you to have kids like this who are so humble.
Thank you.
You understand? And who can still come around to say, let us assist our father to do this. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much, guys. And I'm signing out here. And I call on everyone to please assist us to, help these wonderful kids to become great people in life. Even with their father, I want this man to smile. I want him to smile.
Thank
you. In no distant time, I want people to respond. I need massive response. Contacts, call, give them a call. We're going to drop the contacts so that you can reach them and ask them, assist in any way you can. Thank you very much, and God bless. So, Chinazo and Amarachi, man, come on, these are Igbo ladies. Igbos are so awesome. They're awesome people. So you guys are going to go far in life, okay? It's not going to stop here. I promise you, by the special grace of God, God is going to do something about this, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So you can go back to your work.
Okay.
Okay.